Welcome. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to build a deterministic UiPath agent powered by ChatGPT 5 that classifies requests even when the business can't provide explicit rules. We'll define the inputs and outputs, have ChatGPT 5 synthesize strict decision logic, and embed that logic in the agent to run reliably at scale. First, I enumerate the request fields: issue type, urgency, requesting department, affected platform, error description, report date, and prior incident history, each with a clear definition. Then I define the target subcategories: hardware upgrade, software update, maintenance, and further investigation, all with concise descriptions. With both input and output definitions in place, I provide them to ChatGPT 5 and ask for a strict, rule-bound system prompt that ingests every field, applies deterministic logic, and assigns a subcategory based on the field values. I also request a few concrete examples to guide expected behavior. ChatGPT 5 returns precise rules and a JSON output schema. After validating the examples, I copy the system prompt into the agent. As in prior demos, the agent processes multiple rows from a spreadsheet, in this case, a Google Sheet. I read the sheet, add a row index column, and preserve alignment with VBNet's zero-based data rows, since the first data row in the sheet is row 2, after the header. Row index, Vodar data row index plus 2. This keeps the LLM's processing aligned with where results are written back. Agents work best with JSON arrays, so I convert the data table to a JSON array. A write tool then persists results to the sheet. The output we store includes subcategory and subcategory reason. The user prompt flow is straightforward. Call the read data tool once. Iterate through the JSON array for each item. For each item, compute the subcategory and reason using the strict rules. Build a single output JSON array. Write subcategory and subcategory reason to the rows indicated by row index. Now, let's run it. The agent calls read data and produces a JSON array, 20 items in this example. ChatGPT 5 evaluates each item using the defined rules, produces candidate scores, selects the highest scoring subcategory, and returns row index with the decision and reason. The agent writes the results to the sheet and completes the run. Key takeaway: when stakeholders can specify inputs and desired outputs, but not the underlying rules, you can use ChatGPT 5 to synthesize strict, auditable logic and embed it in a UiPath agent for consistent, scalable classification. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session.